A picture of Mayon volcanic mountain published deceased Monday regional period by the Philippine Institution of Volcanology and Seismic, PHIVOLCS, showed lava flow fluid filling downward its party and a big feather of ardent fume over the summit conference. Authorities on Saturday modernized the alarm standard at the Mayon volcanic mountain in the southern portion of Luzon to Standard 3 following monitoring vapor eruptions and a vivid lava flow shine. PHIVOLCS given the alarm indication an enlarged trend to dangerous ejection following 3 vapor-driven eruptions and many decades of rock falls on Saturday afternoon. A vivid crater shine at the summit conference crater indicates same increase of a new lava flow cupola and ASA of lava flow stream to the southern slopes, the agent told. The agent suggested creation an 11 kilometers, 7 mi, risk area about the volcanic mountain to alleviate versus rock falls, landslides and flash explosions or cupola crash. The chirp as well informed flying not to fly close the summit conference with ash could be dangerous to plane. Yet, Solidum added how the operation so far may not conduct to an blasting ejection. Occasionally the ejection operation requirement not vary outcome, to, really blasting eruptions. Occasionally it would outcome, to, non-explosive eruptions wherever lava flow would tina out of the crater, but not blow up, Solidum told. Busy volcanic mountain positioned on the Isle of Luzon, on 330 kilometers, 205 miles, southwest of Manila, Mayon is one of the planet's largest busy volcanoes. With 1616, the formidable stratovolcano has erupted 47 times, in lot of the explosions challenging fatal mud flows and ash waterfall. The volcanic mountain's largest destructive ejection took location in 1814 while at low 1,200 human beings were annihilated.